How to use CapCut QR Codes to log in. CapCut now offers a quick and easy way to log in using QR codes, which is especially useful when switching between mobile and desktop version. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. Then, on the searching bar, search for CapCut Web or CapCut Login. Then, go to the official website of CapCut. There you will see Continue with CapCut Mobile at the last option. Now, you have to open the CapCut application on your mobile device and ensure that you have logged into your account. From there, go to the profile in the CapCut mobile application and then look for a Scan QR code or Login with QR code option in your profile settings or menu. Use your mobile device to scan the QR code displayed on the desktop screen. Confirm the login request on your phone to complete the process. Once it is approved, you should be logging into CapCut on desktop. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.